You see that same brick over there, the brick side?
Yep. Oh, that's cool though.
Yeah, bro, that's gonna butt up to those.
They're not heights, are they, those nails? That's sweet.
Oh, so
Yeah.
back to like height.
Yeah. Oh, you got some height scrolled on the side here too.
Obviously, like this is level,
Yep.
but we need fall on it, right? So each one of these forms are perfectly set up just for level.
Yep. So I just put I'll put my little level on it. I'll just set it at minimal. Oh man, one truck, eh? Are we gonna make it?
Yeah.
We're locked in.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Rudy.
This side will be seen, eh? Is that side exposed too on this?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's gonna be.
Rudy, can you grab a hammer, bro? We'll just whack that chair off. Rudy. Yeah.
Oh, got the wrong lens on.
Oh. Huh?
That's all right. Yeah, that's pretty sick. Just went over the mist. Yeah, that's cool.
Oh, my
yeah.
man. Rudy. That 6 cube was heaps of wasted J. Yeah.
So we might be on to this 5.6. It's just we might run out of oxide.
5.6. We've only got 5.6. Oh, yeah. And that's the only oxide, but there is a measure. So, but there's no colour.
Oh yeah, so we'll do this. We'll do this exposed side first to work some few tricks. What's this pipe here?
Just have to undo the cables.
Oh, okay, because if we want to strip these forms off, yeah, we can slip those out. She's a solid edge on this, eh? Vertical finish there, and there. Yes. It's 1, 2, 3 different faces. There's a bit of yeah. We'll get the edge up the corners of the steps and stuff, and trowel them all around. Bit of trowel work on that.
What's going to like complement this is a full stainless steel powder coated matte black handrail.
Yep, that goes down the edge here.
Yeah.
Yep, nice.
All along here. Rudy. Oh.
Insitu steps, got a Peterfell 621 colour in the mix. We're creating a break, so we've got 2 separate finishes, one side hard trowel, architectural finish, other side exposed aggregate. We've got a wet join. We're going to follow up the vertical faces and create the break. Bit of detail. Square. She's beautiful. Maybe these up. Edge these corners back up as well. Nice corners. This mix is a dream finish, eh? It's real cream. It's going to be a journey getting this one through the finish. We just keep touching them up as it goes.
Bruni.
I'll just do it as I go or something. This side is trowel finish. This side is exposed aggregate. Bring it over here, bro. I'll get the first little wash. Recent camera moment of truth. Doesn't look good underneath. So we got beautiful smooth surface. Bloody beautiful fine exposure. No edge lines. Look at that corner. Damn fine. She's all done there. Absolutely pristine. Look how smooth it is. It's a hard trowel finished surface. Here's our break between the finish with a wet join where we have our exposed aggregate trowel finish. Heat fell 621. Pretty bloody good, I think. What a fine expose. Everything's pretty sharp. It's very flat, minimal fall. It's almost level. You know, there's only a few more fall. Come check this edge out there. It's the best. It's how round and nicer all these edges. And shaped the wall, hard troweled, rounded off all the edges, just and the back curve. So, yeah.
Rooney.